Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome back in the series of prelims questions analysis and discussion. In this, we are talking about those probable questions. What I think that these questions must be asked in the prelims October 2021. You can expect questions from these parts in other state civil services examination also, like Haryana PCS, UP PCS, MP PCS, or the upcoming BPSC prelims examination. So number of questions we have already discussed, and this is the 45th number of the question. And 45th, don't go by this number, it is the question number 45. And all those questions are available on the videos of previous, you can come on our channel and from there you can have that. So the first question of the day is, consider the following statements regarding a river. A river is known as Sorrow of Bengal and it flows through a rift valley. Kosi, Damodar, Hooghly, and Tista. Now here you see that which river is flowing through the Bengal. Then obviously except Kosi river doesn't flow through Bengal. It flows through Bihar. And it is a tributary of Ganga. Tributary of Ganga. Now Damodar river flows through Bengal, yes. But does it flow through Rift Valley? This is a question. Then the Hooghly, of course, it flows through the Bengal. And Tista river, it originates from Sikkim, means it originates from Sikkim, then comes to Bengal, and then comes to Bangladesh. Hooghly river is there, that is thoroughly in the West Bengal. Damodar river is there, that is flowing through Jharkhand and the West Bengal. But now the question is, which one is flowing through the Rift Valley also? So there you know that the Hooghly river doesn't flow through the Rift Valley. Tista river doesn't flow through the Rift Valley. Only the Damodar river is there that flows through the Rift Valley. One more thing, how to reach over this conclusion, that whether it flows through or not, then you will find that Tista river is in the Sikkim, and thereafter it is in the plain. Hooghly river entirely in the plain. If the rift has to be formed, that rift will be there in the peninsular India, and the peninsular India is there. That is the Jharkhand region, Chota Nagpur region, and that's why the Damodar is the most correct answer. Idea is that if you do not know the correct answer, how you can reach over there. Now the question is that why I have asked this thing. So that is because of the flood, devastating flood caused by this Kosi river in Bihar. And that is called Sorrow of Bihar. Sorrow of Bihar. It was in news and published in The Hindu 2020. Secondly, the Tista river, it was in news because of India and Bangladesh water dispute. And this was there, a comprehensive article was there in Indian Express in the month of August 2020. All right, two rivers, Hooghly river and the Damodar river, I have added. Now, the next question of the day is that which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Ganga Ghagra, Yamuna Chambal, Indus Janskar, and Godavari Koyna. Means whether these rivers are the tributary of their master stream or not. So obviously Ganga river and the Ghagra river, you see Ghagra river is in news because it is now a famous river of Uttar Pradesh. All right, and it was in news. In fact, these two rivers are in news because of the Ganga basin. Clean Ganga initiative, and this is comprehensively mentioned in Indian Express. In Indian Express, and that is the month July 2020. All right. So Ghagra River, Yamuna River, Chambal River, obviously it is. And Chambal, you know, is a very famous river. Why? It was separately mentioned. Why? Because of the alligator conservation. Alligator conservation program. Alligator conservation program. And that was mentioned in the Hindu. Chambal River. So Yamuna and Ganga, correct? Indus River and the Janskar River. It was in news because of the bifurcation of Ladakh, and now it is a new UT. Fine. So since Ladakh was in news, that's why I have taken the Janskar River from there. Godavari and the Koyna one river. The Koyna is not a tributary of Godavari. It is tributary of Krishna. So only this one is incorrect. Remaining three are correct. So answer should be A, is not correctly matched. It means the answer should be D. Answer should be D. All right. Now, Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. Any doubt? Very basic NCERT class 6. All right. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. Fine. It is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, Equator, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass. All right. You just go our video on mapping. Video on mapping of Africa. So there I have clearly mentioned with all those the countries and all, and you will be benefited. This question I have taken from the conventional part, and that is mentioned in NCERT class 6. Fine. And that class 6 NCERT also I have taken, so you can find those things. So both are correct. Now, the next one is which of the following state share why this question I have taken? So it is not the randomly taken, you know. This has been because of, you know, the Chinese investment, and especially Djibouti issue. Djibouti issue you can find in the current affairs published in the Hindu newspaper, and the month is September 2021. Oh, sorry, September 2020. All right, so that's why, since it was in news, so that's why I have taken from there. Now, which of the following states share boundary with the Bangladesh and Bhutan? Bangladesh and Bhutan. This question I have taken because of the West Bengal elections and the election in Assam. I hope that now you know the answer. Assam and West Bengal. Sikkim shares its political boundary with Bhutan, China, and Nepal, not with Bangladesh, as I have asked here. So this was comprehensively in news in various newspapers, not any one newspaper. That's why I have taken the boundaries you need to understand. Assam and the West Bengal, 1 and 2 is the correct answer. And then the last question of the day is that where is the doldrum belt located? Doldrum belt located near the equator, near the polar areas, on the Tropic of Cancer, on the Tropic of Capricorn, obviously near the equator. All right, this question was in news, the Hindu, and that is the equatorial water circulation. Water circulation. You know the La Nina event? La Nina event, and because of which, you know, which has also contributed into the North American heat dome. It was in news in the 2021 last month only, and that is the June. All right, so this thing was taken, and this is the last question. Great Victoria Desert is located in Canada. Canada is in news. That's why I have taken, but it is not there. Western Africa, it seems to be a little. And the Australia, it seems to be North America. No, it is not. All right. Because in North America, if the Canada is specifically mentioned, though, most of the chances are the country should be there in news, but in Canada, it is not. Western Africa, of course, it is there, but it is not the Great Victoria Desert. It is the Victoria Fall, Western Africa, and it is not in the Western Africa once again. That is in the Eastern Africa. Eastern Africa, and that is the Victoria Fall. And that is largest fall in the world, waterfall in the world. And that you can find in my NCERT discussion of the class 6 that is available on our channel. Australia is the answer, and that has the Great Victoria Desert. Great Victoria Desert, and that is located in the Western Australia. All right. So this is what, the discussion I used to come with the 5 questions, probable questions. The idea is that I am taking conventional questions, conventional topics which are in news. So it is a very good blend of the current and the conventional. I hope it will help you people definitely. And thank you very much for being with me. Please appreciate our initiative by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you very much.